Let's learn to form our embouchure. The embouchure is the way you form your mouth, lips, and teeth to produce a sound on a wind instrument. It's very important to form the correct embouchure to make a good sound on your flute. Here is an example of a correct flute embouchure. The small hole formed by your lips is called an aperture. Your aperture should be round and relatively small, as Sarah is demonstrating here. For this first exercise, we will use a coffee straw to simulate the size of the aperture. We will also use a mirror to check to see that our embouchure is formed correctly. If you do not have a mirror or coffee straw, press pause and locate these before continuing with this video. Watch as Sarah demonstrates this exercise for us. Notice that all of her air is going into the straw and that her lips are relaxed and rolled out slightly. Watch as she demonstrates this again. Now let's try this together. First, start with your lips naturally together and relaxed. Pout your bottom lip slightly. Next, open your mouth and place the coffee straw in the center of your bottom lip. Then close your mouth around the straw. Be sure to hold the straw by the wet inside part of your lips. You should not tuck your lips in to hold the straw, nor should you hold the straw with your teeth. Use a mirror to see if your lips are formed correctly. Now, keeping the straw on your bottom lip, take a full breath and blow all your air into the straw. I'll count to help you start. 1, 2, ready, breathe. Keep your lips in the correct position, but do not let any air leak out of the corners of your mouth. Let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, breathe. Now press pause and practice this on your own a few times. Each time you practice, focus on these essential elements of the flute embouchure. Now we will perform the same exercise again with one additional step. While moving our air out, we will remove the straw, creating an aperture the same size as the coffee straw. Watch as Sarah performs this exercise. Sarah is using a fast and steady airstream when the straw is removed. This allows the air to create the aperture the size of the coffee straw. Watch as she does this one more time. Now let's try this together. Remember to use your mirror to check your aperture size. Get your mirror and straw set into position. 1, 2, ready, breathe. Let's try that one more time together. 1, 2, ready, breathe. Watch one more time as Sarah performs this important exercise. Notice that the size of her aperture and the shape of her lips do not change after she removes the coffee straw. Now press pause and practice several times on your own. Each time you practice, focus on one of these essential elements of the flute embouchure. Keep your bottom lip slightly pouted out. Do not tuck your lips in or use your teeth to hold the straw. Work to form a small and round aperture the shape of a round coffee straw. Maintain a consistent aperture size and shape. Work for consistent airspeed. Let your fast air help maintain the small aperture. Learning to form the correct embouchure is an important part of playing the flute.